Myself Savitha, working as an assistant professor of Department of Mathematics in Congo Arts and Science College. Here we see the topic transportation model. Where we have to use this transportation model means we have to use in many fields like minimizing shipping cost, determine low cost location, and find minimum cost production schedule and military distribution system. These are the fields we have to apply the transportation model. Basically, there are two types of transportation problem is there. One is balanced transportation problem and other one is unbalanced transportation problem. So what is meant by balanced transportation problem here is total supply of all the sources are equal to the total demand of all destinations. Then the problem is said to be a balanced transportation problem. That means here total supply is equal to total demand means the problem is said to be balanced transportation problem. In mathematically it is denoted by summation I is equal to 1 to m ai is equal to summation I is equal to 1 to n bj. Next one is unbalanced transportation problem. Here the total supply of all the sources are not equal to the total demand of all destination. Then the problem is said to be an unbalanced transportation problem. That means the total supply is not equal to total demand means the transportation problem is said to be unbalanced. We see the example balanced transportation problem. In this example, the cost is given by 211 10 37 14721 394812 and supply of this problem is 489 and demand for this problem is 33456. So here we have to check that given problem is balanced or not. So for this we have to find out the total supply and the total demand, which is equal to means it is said to be a balanced transportation problem. Otherwise it is said to be unbalanced transportation problem. So here we have to add the supply. 4 plus 8 plus 9 we get 21 and also total demand is equal to here 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 which is equal to 21. So here total supply is equal to total demand, therefore that is equal to a balanced transportation problem. Next we see the one example for unbalanced transportation problem. In here the cost of the given problem is 211 10 37 and 14721 394812 and supply of the given problem is 589 and demand of this given problem is 33456. So here total supply is equal to 22 and total demand is equal to here 21. That means you have to add all the supply values. That means 5 plus 8 plus 9 we get 22 and add the demand values, that is 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 we get 21. So here we have to check supply is equal to demand, but here total supply value is 22 and total demand value is 21, so which is not equal, therefore it is said to be an unbalanced transportation problem. So next we see the methods for finding the initial basic feasible solution. Basically there are two methods available. First one is northwest corner rule and another one is least cost method. In short form, northwest corner rule is denoted by NWC rule and least cost method is denoted by LCM. So next we see the northwest corner method rule. What are the steps available in this procedure is, for the step 1 is here, select the upper left corner cell of the transportation matrix and allocate minimum of S1, that means supply comma demand. Then step 2, subtract this value from supply and demand of respective row and column. If the supply is 0 means then cross that row and move down to the next cell. If the demand is 0 means cross the column and move right to the next cell. If supply and demand both are 0 means we have to cross both row and column and move diagonally to the next cell. So repeat this procedure until all the requirements are satisfied or otherwise all the supply and demand values are 0. So this is the procedure for applying north-west corner rule. This is the method for finding initial basic feasible solution for the transportation model. Here we see one problem. Find initial basic feasible solution by using northwest corner rule. Here the cost cell is 578446677 and supply value is 70, 30, 50 and demand value is 65, 42 and 43. Here we have to check it is a balanced or unbalanced. So balanced means we have to add all the supply values and demand values. We get equal means it is called balanced transportation problem. Otherwise it is unbalanced transportation problem. For this given problem, the supply value and demand value is equal. Therefore it is a balanced transportation problem. So here we see the first allocation. We have to choose the left corner, upper left corner of the cell. That is, we have to take C11. That means first row, first column. We have to select it. Up C11 is equal to minimum of supply value here is 70 and demand value is 65. In this minimum value is 65. So we have to choose C11 is equal to 65. So we allocate the first cell for the value 65 and cross out the first column. It is balanced, so it is 0. And in first row the remaining value 5 is there, so write it here. Then second allocation is you move on to the next cell, that is C12. Here we choose the minimum of supply value is 5 and demand value is 42. So here the minimum cost is 5. So we have to allocate the 5 value in the C12 cell and mark it. It is balanced, so we have to check that it is balanced means it is 0. Then remaining value is 37 is here, so we have to write it here. Then the third allocation we move downwards. So that is second C22 cell. Here we choose the minimum of supply value 30 and demand value 37. So in this value we have to choose the minimum value 30 and we have to allocate in C22 cell and cross it. The second row it is balanced. Then in second column 7 is remaining, so write it here. Then move on to the next allocation, that is C32. C32 is equal to minimum of supply value 50 and demand value is 7. So in this minimum value is 7. So we have to choose the minimum value 7 and allocate it here. Then we have to check that it is balanced means put 0. Then remaining value is here 43. Then the last allocation is made on the cell C33. So C33 is equal to minimum of 43, 43. So in this 43 is the value which is allocated in the last cell. So here final table is here. So we have to find out the transportation cost. C11 means 65 into 5 plus C12 is 5 into 7, then C22 30 into 4, then C32 7 into 7, then C33 43 into 7. We have to multiply and add all these values. We get the solution for this transportation cost is rupees 830. So these are the examples we have given. Thank you.